This is my intro. Working on it. Don't know exactly what it's going to consist of, what it might be. It might be something different next time. Might be the same for the next several times. I don't know. Okay. Sit back. Watch the video. Enjoy. Bye. Okay. Good morning, beautiful disasters. So I'm not even gonna sit here. First of all, do you see the crustiness? Do you see the dryness? Do you see what we're working with? I'm so dry and crusty, including lips. So yesterday was interesting. I did a firmware update on the high mirror, and after the update just took a long time. It took a long time, and then after it was done, it said it still needed another update. So I said, well, why don't we just turn it off and just see what happens? Because believe it or not, yesterday I tried to log into my YouTube and Facebook, and things weren't happening. They weren't coming up. It kept saying retry. So I don't know if the update has something to do with maybe fixing that problem. I don't know. Hopefully the first update fixed the problem, because one update did happen. It did happen, but again, then it said I need another one, and here we are. So I fell asleep. I think what I'm going to do this morning, because there are some features on here that are more important than others, which is what we really want to test out. And one of them is Skin Analyzer. So let me go ahead and just do that. Too far. Oh, too far. I'm too far. That was interesting. Okay. I might want to do that again. It caught me off guard. Like, I didn't know as soon as I pressed Skin Analyzer, it was going to do something. So can we do that again? Let's see. Well, let's see if it saved it as well. Like, I'm curious. So today at 10:47, and it did 10:46. Okay. So we're going to use the 10:47 one. So here, first of all, it does allow me to trash that. Yes, delete the first one. Okay. Yay. Okay, I like it. And okay, so far I'm happy. Okay, so it might do what I wanted to do. Okay, so dark spots is 69 fair. Fine lines is 60 poor. Well, dang. Really? The roughness is 60 poor. Well, that's because I'm dry. I don't know if this is going to be good for my self-esteem.
What the hell?
Red spots, 69 fair. Okay. Wrinkles, 76 average. Okay, I'll take it. Okay. Pores, 90 good. Okay. All right, so pores, we good with the pores. Dark circles, 60 pore. Wait. Ew. Hold on.
Hours later.
Okay, so it looks like we got a lot of work to do. Wasn't expecting this. So, okay, so the screen doesn't move up, like the whole thing, but the bottom part does. So y'all didn't see that. When it pops up, you can just go to records and it'll take you to the screen you want. You don't have to, take a picture every single time. What's the tips? Possible causes of skin redness. Well, I did wash my face now. But I don't see any redness. Unless it's seeing something that I don't see. Hold up. I think I just messed myself up. Okay, so I did another one, and it does make a difference. So this is the one I'm going to keep. because I changed all my lighting to the white light, put it all to the brightest setting, and it made a difference because it says red spots is now 99 99 excellent, which I don't, yeah, because I don't have any redness. Okay. Dark spots 73 fair, fine lines is poor, roughness is still poor, dark circles is still poor, pores is still good now. Wrinkles is 75. I mean, but at least the redness is gone. Cause I'm like, yeah, I don't really have redness. That. All right. So the lighting does make a difference. And also, let's see here. Because I did link it to Alexa yesterday, I am linked to Amazon. So it is going to give me suggestions on things, which is pretty cool. Really cool. Okay. All right. So now we get to kind of like see what this stuff is about. Like, what's the skin results are for personal reference only and they should not be used as medical diagnosis. Well, I'm not going to diagnose anything, so that's fine. So, beauty box. Let's see, my products. Tap plus at the top right corner to add products. Set the usage to learn the product effectiveness and record the expiration dates to get the notifications of expiring products. So, this is pretty cool because in the you may like, it says inspired by your measurements, which is, I'm assuming they're saying, again, this is the photo because what the measure, it's under measure when they look at your face. And inspired by weather, that's pretty cool that it takes where you live. This is pretty cool. So I wonder, I'm just going to, let's just go with the sunscreen. Let's see what, okay, so then it says Amazon. All right, does it take you there? Like if I can I click Amazon and it takes me there? Oh, it does. Look at that. Currently unavailable though. Nice. Okay, so beautiful disasters. I'm going through it. So I'm doing, my editing right now, and I see, that I have a lot of time that I recorded just updating the high mirror slide. So I just wanted to let you know that it did take a lot of updating over the span of
hours later,
a couple of days. And so it was worth it though. The prayer hands. You get the point. But if you want one, it's kind of cool that it does connect, So we're back here. I clicked Makeup Studio, and this is what came up. So it says, look at camera when taking photos. So I assume I could take a photo, right? But then it also says select a photo. Colors. The lip. Is it the lips that's changing? Hold on. I'm gonna have to figure this one out. Something must be wrong with me because I don't see nothing changing. Mascara. Make it brown. Does it turn brown? Oh, yeah, it did a little bit. Okay, I saw that change. Okay. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna have to something with this. I don't exactly know how I would use this yet. I don't know what high tube is. I guess this is about high mirror. Oh, it's YouTube. High tube is YouTube? I thought they had a YouTube, but there's YouTube. Okay. Well, maybe I could keep the high tube as me not being signed in and then actually sign into the YouTube. I don't know. Skin safe. I don't know what skin safe is. New to skin safe, yes. You gonna tell me what you're about? I'll have to create an account. I'll do that in a minute. I'll find out about her.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down. Deactivated. Goodbye.